Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by importing both the video and the transparent PNG into Capcut. This matters because PNG preserves alpha. Once done, tap New Project, add your base clip to the timeline, then add the PNG as an overlay. Make sure the image duration covers the section you want, and if needed, trim or extend its clip. This first action sets up layering, so you can see how the transparent areas reveal the video beneath, which is the core of the effect. Now you shape the overlay to match the scene. Select the PNG overlay, use transform controls to position and scale it, and rotate if needed. Because PNGs can include semi-transparent pixels, use blend modes or the opacity slider to make it look natural. Screen, add, or normal with reduced opacity work differently. Experiment to see why. If the image or subject moves, add keyframes for position and scale so the overlay follows. Additionally, feather or mask edges to blend shadows and avoid hard cutouts. Finish by previewing the full clip. When satisfied, export using appropriate codec and resolution. H. 264 for standard, HEVC for high efficiency. If you need transparency preserved after export, remember most video codecs don't keep alpha. Export a PNG sequence or a WebM with alpha. If transparency vanishes inside Capcut, recheck that the image is a true PNG with alpha and that you added it as an overlay, not a background. For jagged edges, refine mask feathering or use a higher resolution PNG to eliminate artifacts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.